Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like. Please watch till the end as well. And I'm back again with a new video for today. It's a very interesting video, a very interesting meal to prepare as well. I'm going to prepare for you meat or beef as it is called. I'm going to prepare beef for today. Traditional way of preparing beef. I'm not going to use the cooker for today. I'm going to use inaitwa Jiko. I'm going to use the one that we normally use for charcoal. So keep it locked in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. As you all can see, I went on and boiled the meat. Of course, you have to boil it first. That is the traditional way. The modern way people use, pressure cooker, but in this case, I'm boiling directly. I'm using the Jiko and the sufuria as well, and these are some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. They're simple ingredients that you can't fail to find them at the market. Even when you go to the market, you can't fail to find them. So I have with me the skuma wiki as well. Hii nitapika tu baadaye, but for today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare the simple way of how to prepare beef. Of course, I have with me the hot water, but for now it's warm. I'm going to use that one as well. So hii naenda kutupa, hii imeharibika. I think maji iliingia ndani, so it's not good. As you all can see from the picture or the video, my coriander leaves zimeoza. They're not okay. So these ones are the fresh ones. I bought this one from the market. I normally place them in a tin alafu naekelea kwa fridge hapo tu chini, but si kwa freezer. So this is one of the ingredients. I'm going to use these coriander leaves as well. And of course, another ingredient that I'm going to include as well is tomatoes. It's going to be a wet fried beef. Of course, I need the tomatoes, I need the onions, spices sihitaji mingi. I normally just prefer using the beef masala. I'm going to show you guys when I'll be of course when I have started the cooking process. These are the capsicum. I love the green capsicum. I just love the aroma. Nakonga na aroma ingine tamu sana kwa nyama yako. So I prefer using the half of it and leave alone the full capsicum. Na nitazikatakata. And guys, let's get into the video. And don't forget to like. Please watch till the end. Subscribe for more videos.